Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately. Remove grit and wipe the area so the eraser works on grime, not sand. Next, soak the magic eraser for about 5–10 seconds and squeeze it until it's damp but not dripping. This activates the foam. Once done, test a hidden corner to check paint and finish compatibility because the pad can dull or remove coatings. Make sure to have a backup rag and a small bowl of water nearby so you can remoisten as needed. You now apply the eraser. Use light, steady strokes rather than aggressive scrubbing to let the micro-abrasive foam lift stains without overworking the surface. Work in small sections, roughly 6 to 12 inches across, and keep rinsing the sponge as it collects residue so you aren't just redistributing grime. Once you hit a stubborn spot, fold the eraser to a tight edge and press gently to focus cleaning power. Throughout, check the finish and stop if the surface starts to dull. You finish by wiping away residual foam with a damp cloth, then dry the area to confirm the result. Drying reveals streaks or missed spots. If the finish looks dulled or you observe abrasion, stop immediately and switch to a mild detergent or a product made for that surface. This prevents permanent damage. If the eraser begins to fall apart, discard and replace it. Troubleshooting tip: if a stain won't budge, let a dampened eraser sit lightly for a minute before reattempting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.